welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I'm Courtney and I love decorating, tablescapes, thrift lip shopping hauls, and everything purple. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today we're taking a walk around the thrift store, 2 Goodwills, and an American Family thrift store. And then I'm putting together some in-store vignettes to show you what you can do with thrift store items. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy as I walk around the thrift store. And make sure you watch all the way till the end, because I have a fantastic, phenomenal haul for you today. I had to pop back in right now to tell you about this gorgeous, when I say in love, honey, I am in love with this chinoiserie tiered tray. 2 things. The pieces, there must have been something missing because the pieces would not go together properly. Secondly, they were selling all the pieces individually, which wasn't fair. So I left it behind. Let's move on to the haul. Today I have a huge haul for you. Now, let me tell you, my baby sister is moving into her first home. And this is her color scheme, beige and turquoise. So I picked up these beautiful glassware, a 4-piece set for $1.99 each. So $4, $1 a glass, however you want to look at it, not a bad deal. This piece I already had in my collection. I got some time ago. I think I used last fall, but it goes so nice with her color scheme, and I'm going to give it to her. Next, for her kitchen, this is for the coffee bar area. So I picked up these 2 small coffee related prints for her coffee bar area, and I think those will look so cute. Now, she really liked these, and let me give you prices. These smaller ones were $3.99 each, and then these larger ones, as you can see, they were $4.99 each. And both of these are wine prints that I thought would look really nice over her bar area or behind the bar. Okay, so that's it for the artwork that I picked up today. Next, $3.99 each. You see that? And it has a sort of embossed pattern on it. And these are those giant Euro shams for her bed. So I really
Really love those. Beautiful. I brought her a set of dinnerware. And I wish it would have been the whole box, but it just didn't come like that. So $4 for the bowls, $5 for the saucers, and then $4 for the dinner plate. And look at that beautiful pattern. And it's giving me the color scheme that she chose for her home, which is beige and this beautiful, it's not really a turquoise, or maybe a very light turquoise if you want to call it that. And I believe I have some matching dinner napkins in my arsenal too that I can give her. Next up, this beautiful vase, and that is $2.99, and there again her beautiful color scheme. Here I picked up some bath accessories for her as well, $3.99, and it's a beautiful, can you make that out, a beautiful mosaic, and it's giving me that, not nautical, but beachy vibes with the seashells inside, and that is a clock. So I thought both of those items would look nice in the bathroom. I'm going to try to find a topper for this and turn it into an apothecary jar. That was my idea. So next, I have this, and this is a shower curtain, and it's very much giving me those soft blue tones. And I hope that you can make out the color. Maybe you can hear, this is the deepest part, and it's kind of like an ombre from white to the deepest blue, and the deepest blue is her color scheme. And I also bought the bath rugs to match, and I got these at a discount store, okay, I don't remember where, $6, and I got 2 of those. So that's it for my sister's side of the haul. And she did all right for herself, honey, because I got her some deals. And I didn't spend very much. So I did very well with that. Excuse the messy garage in the background. This is my side of the haul. Now look at this. You know good and goddamn well you cannot get these berry wreaths for $7. But I did. They had them at Goodwill, brand new, still in the original packaging, for $7. Now I want you to beat that with a bat, honey, because you cannot. These beautiful glass ornament set, I believe, was $1.99. So that's it. To buy Christmas decorations or any type of decorations when it's not that season, because you can always get better pricing. Okay, I got a couple of table runners. This first one, $3.99, and it has a beautiful print on it. Look at that print. And I'm not sure what season it's supposed to be, but it has the gold threading running through it, and it is so beautiful that I fell in love with it. And for $3.99, girl. Next, this is like a pashima shawl, but I love the coloring, and it matches a set of dinnerware that I recently bought with this beautiful royal blue and purple. So this too was $3.99. And then under that for $4.99. Hold on, ladies. Hold on, because I got to open this up for you girls. Do you see this gorgeousness right here that I'm showing you? Satin down the center with beading all the way around. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, yes, girl, yes. This is giving me fire. Isn't that gorgeous? So, there we are. 2 reds and 1 multicolor. Then, let's move on to some dinnerware, because you know I don't have no behavior. So, I went to 3 different stores, actually. I went to the American Family store, and I picked up this beautiful little set of 5. I thought there were 6, but there are 5 for $2.92. And that is super cute to go on a purple summer tablescape or spring. Next, I thought these were a little pricey, but they're ceramic and they're very, very heavy. And these little plates were $6.96 for a set of 4. Like I said, a little bit pricey, but I really did like that design and the neutrality of it for fall. Next up, I got the Pioneer Woman, honey. Better Homes Pioneer Woman dishes in the red. 4-piece set. Do you see that price? Are you gagging right now? Are you gagging over the price? Yes, $4, $1 a piece. Yes, girls. Yes, honey. And then I got this, and this is just a little set of cheese knives, I guess you would call them, originally from Pier 1 Imports. Price was $14, I guess that says 95. I don't have my glasses on. At Goodwill, $4.99. And red tickets were half price today. So, yay for that. Here again, another red ticket, half price. So I got these for $1. And these are melamine, set of 4 with a beautiful red flower on the front. Very pretty. Next up, another set of Pioneer Woman. And I was kind of disappointed because I only got 3 plates. 2 salad plates and 1 of the dinner plates. But you know what? I'm going to put it together with some other things and we're going to make this work, honey, because I was not leaving the Pioneer Woman behind. Next up, for $4.99, I got this beautiful set of 4. $4.99, orange with kind of a yellow center. And I think those could work for a multitude of different tablescapes and holidays. Next up here, for, can you make that out? $3.99 is a set of 3, 6, 7, 8 ceramic napkin rings in the color Hunter Green. Beautiful. And I know they will come in handy at some point. Let's move on, because I know that you saw me pick this up at the store. So you know your girl had to get it because it was just too gorgeous. $9.99 is the price point, which was not bad. And it came with the holder and all of the votives here in the box. So I thought that was a nice deal for $10. Last but not least, I picked up some glassware, some stemware here. And I love, okay, let me just move that out of the way so you can see them one at a time. I love the hand-painted look of this set. They were $2.99 for 2, which is kind of dear. And, but I really did love them and I thought they would look beautiful. And this one has like pears. I thought they would look beautiful on a summer tablescape. So $2.99 for a set of 2, and there was nothing off that. Last but not least, these 2 were kind of dear. But you know how I live for my purple. And when I saw it, I knew I didn't have no champagne flutes in purple. And they're also kind of iridescent, and I hope that your seeing camera is showing you that iridescent effect. But absolutely beautiful. And these were $1.99 each. So, huge haul, y'all. Huge haul. And I love everything that I got. So, and I hope my sister is going to love everything that I got for her. So, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this gives you inspiration to get out there and get your thrift on, honey. And get those bargains, because there are bargains to be had. Okay, so until next time.